If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE. What's up? YouTube channel Jrekml. You already know. BABYMONSTER came out with Drip. Now this is like another title track basically. So they have two title tracks. They have Click Clack, which is very like more vibey hip hop heavy, which YG does a lot of hip hop in general. I'm gonna predict this is like more upbeat. I never heard any of their previews at all, so I was like first hand to Click Clack. This is gonna be our first hand listening to Drip. I never checked out any teasers, but without further ado, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy Dre. Your boy still doing videos. You already know G-Dragon came out. Better check out that video. I did a little intro to that. And without further ado, play my intro. Just drinking my tea, y'all. Y'all already know. What's the tea? Put the comments down below. What? Wait, okay, well, hold up. Nah, I know him. Well, I don't know. We never officially met, but we know of each other. We follow each other on Instagram. Aren't you? Wait. First you were in a Misamo video. Now you on BABYMONSTER? You everywhere, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I see. They have the whole like album right there. It's like a pink. Oh! Oh my God. Wait, hold up. Yo, chill. They came in hard. What the hell? Yeah. When I dress, I don't think so much. I could be the gold, I don't need too much. I'ma set a goal, I'ma eat that lunch. Eat that lunch. She eating. Ooh. Oh, okay, kitty, kitty, gonna run this town. Damn, with a whole microphone, like, what is it called, a megaphone or something like that? Okay, she's serving, per usual. Hey, that boy looking dead in my eyes. You saw that boy? He looking dead in my face. What's good? What's good with it? Why is she judging? He jamming out. Everybody jamming out. He looking dead in the camera. You gonna take my soul? What's happening? Hey, yo. Oh, the glitter? Okay. Oh, okay, with that the blue tint in the hair. Ooh. Oh! Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, okay. Wait. I didn't take a breather for Asa. She one of my faves right now, bruh. Hold up. He went. Oh, his name's Asa. I've been saying Asa this whole time. I'm dumb. I feel dumb as hell. What the hell? Woo. Woo. Okay, Ruka. The news. Okay, she is serving. Wait. I'ma know. Okay, they popping with this. What I say? Okay, that smile though. Ooh, okay, she's in the rhythm, she's in the music. Let's go. Hey. Okay. She coming through like that. Drip. Hey. Oh, the slowdown, the switch up. What the hell? Damn, she was okay. She going through with that. Okay. She's bright as diamonds, baby. Say her name. Something like that. Diamonds, my name. pop off. Okay, they coming through with this one. Oh, I like that. I like that. What was that? The little. The one mitten. It's always a party at the end. I love it. Okay, Baby Monster with that drip. Ooh, I think I like drip more than Click Clack for sure. Click Clack is a different type of vibe, of course, but this is like bringing the party to y'all type of ish. You know what I'm saying? Like we bringing the party. Yo, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Baby Monster's drip. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some power work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. And let me know what you thoughts on the music video and song in the comments down below. I haven't checked out the full like album yet, so I'm down to check it out. Maybe on Twitch. Maybe I do a first listen to Twitch. Maybe tomorrow. Come through if you haven't already on my Twitch. Twitch.tv/JREAMERS. Come through. Personally, I think out of the two, from both what I checked, I love the dance of this too. The whole like this. Oh, so good. And this part right here too. Like Asa killed it. Ruka killed it. All of them killed it, to be honest. Wait, who hit that note though? I'm not sure who hit. Tell me in the comments who hit that note. Again, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.